Is your MacBook acting up? Don't stress, we've got you covered. When it comes to Mac repairs in Dubai, we are your trusted service center. We believe in quality, which is why we only use genuine Apple parts. That means authentic Apple displays, top cases, batteries, speakers, and more, ensuring your device performs just like it did on day one. From MacBook screen replacements to tricky keyboard and battery repairs, our expert technicians can handle it all. We also specialize in motherboard and speaker fixes for both MacBook Pro and MacBook Air models. We pride ourselves on providing fast, reliable, and affordable solutions that you can truly count on. Don't let a broken Mac slow down your productivity. Bring your device back to life. Visit our website at justrepairmac.com or give us a call today to book your service. Let's get your MacBook running perfectly again.